Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Sharma. I'm founder at Coingape Media and X Innovations Private Limited. Both these companies are into the Web3 and blockchain domain that you may have heard in the recent past. So regarding iZooto, I only have one word, that is amazing experience so far. iZooto team, to be frank, has been pretty much supportive with us. We have around a traffic of 5 to 6 million users a month, and it would have been really difficult if iZooto was not in our life. So in terms of changing lives of our people at our team right now, Coingape Media, it has worked tremendously well. We are getting a lot of recurring users because of this platform. We are able to reach out to our audience in time, to be frank, and not only just on the website, but on other platforms like mobile devices as well. So to be frank, it has made our life a lot easier being a marketer. So it has been a great networking today, and I wish the team a lot of best. And I would really recommend this tool. So if any of my peers in Web3 domain or crypto or blockchain, whatever you call it, your flavor, if you are hearing to me, please do give it a try. Being a publisher, being a media company, it's a must tool to have in your kit. Thanks a lot.